Here, Miss Bayan Asasli from Taqarib International School. Today, inshallah, you will be introduced to a new grammar rule, which is the verb or the model will. You are going to recognize what is the use for the verb will. You are going to recognize how to create or how to build a sentence contain will and how to negative it. And in the second video, you are going to recognize how to create a question using will. So stay with me and focus. We are going to discuss the use of will. We have many uses for will. For example, we have prediction, sudden decisions, offer, requests, comment, and etc. We are going to define each stage or each level, and we are going to give an example for each one. Okay, my dear student, now we are going to recognize the use of the modal verb will. The first use is making a prediction. Prediction is to try to guess what will happen in the future. An example for this: houses in 2050 will be movable. Another use: sudden decision. Something I just decided without thinking. For example, I will meet my friend after work. It's a sudden decision. Another use: offers. We can use the verb will to introduce offers. How can we use this? When I ask you, will you join me on the lunch? It is an invitation for you. It's an offer for you to join to me in the lunch. Requests. When I want to ask you to do something, I'm gonna to say, for example, will you clean your room, please? Or, will you open the window? The last use is command. When I ask you, for example, you will do the project this week. Here, I am giving you an order. I am giving you a command. It's not something optional. You will do the project this week. I assign you. So you are going to do this. You are going to follow my rule when I am giving you a command. When I say you will do the project this week, or you will clean your room, or you will listen to me, here I am giving you a command. You are gonna to follow my instruction. You are gonna to do this. It's not a request. It's not a polite request. It's not an offer for you. It's a command. It's an instruction. Dear students, we have the affirmative form. The affirmative form in will, it's subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. So this is the rule. For example, when I want to say Ali will clean his room. This is an example. If I want to say, for example, Ali and Kareem will clean the living room. You need to concern here. You need to recognize here. If the subject was singular, I am adding will. The same thing if the subject was plural. So, my dear student, subject plus will plus verb 1 plus objects. Here I have clean, and the same thing here. Here I have a singular subject, which is Ali. Ali is singular subject. Ali and Kareem, plural subject. We have will and we have verb 1 here and here. So this is the affirmative form for using will. So here, my dear student, we can recognize that subject plus will plus verb 1 is the correct form for the affirmative sentence using will. Now, we cannot add anything for the verb. It's just the base form. It's just the verb one, okay? So if I want to say, I will play football after finishing my work. Play is a verb one. If I want to say, we will eat together. Eat is a verb one. If I want to say, they will cook a pizza for us. Cook is a verb one. So, if the verb was singular, if the subject was singular or plural, we cannot add anything to the verb because we have will, and will followed by an infinitive verb. Now, my dear student, if I want to transform the sentence from positive sentence or affirmative sentence to negative sentence, I just will add not to the verb will. So I am adding not. So it's going to be subject plus will not plus verb one plus object. For example, Ali will not clean his room. Ali will not clean his room. And will not will be won't. So it's going to be Ali won't clean his room. So, my dear students, in the negative form, we add not to the verb will without making any change, without making any another addition to the sentence. For example, I will come for your house. It's gonna to be I won't come for your house. If I want to say he will wash the dishes, it's gonna to be he won't wash the dishes. If I want to say, if I want to use the plural form, for example, they will speak to my dad tomorrow. It's gonna to be, they won't speak to my dad tomorrow. And that's it.